Is 2capcha best way of making money online? Yes, you can make money online with 2capcha. So first we have to understand what 2capcha is. So 2capcha is a human-based anti-captcha services. You have given some tasks to solve which can help bypass any captcha verification. So for example, when you're trying to log in, you have to, there is some other things that they pop up where you have to complete that thing for you to be able to log in. Google can help you identify that you are not a robot. I'm pretty sure you have encountered something like that. So yes, you can make money by doing such tasks. And for example, we have 2capcha, and there are some more other platform which they offer the same services like 2capcha. So to log into 2capcha, you just have to go and search for Google for 2capcha. Like for me, I've already Googled it, and you see you can, when you Google and you have logged in or you have signed in, your dashboard will be something like this. So you can see I've made around $0.22. So for you to start working, you can go here and start working, which it will be painful, you can see here. But for the best way to earn money, you'll have to download apps. Like for example, here is a Chrome extension, and here we have recommended boot for work on Windows, and also RU Capture Box X, of which is for Windows 2, and we have Android for RU Capture Bot. And you can also do on Telegram Direct, which when you tap here, you'll be directed direct to the Telegram app. Like for me, I like using RU Capture Bot X, of which to download, you'll just tap it here and you can download by here. After you download, at least you'll see something like this, Xbox N 0.61. So when you open it, it will be something like this. So after you open this board, what you have to do is that you'll see something like this here, and you'll not, unlike me, you can see here I can start working, but for you, you'll have to provide some key. So where do you get that key? To get that key, you'll have to go back, and you'll have to go back to dashboard and solver captchas. Here you'll have to see the client key, so you'll just copy paste this client key. You'll just copy and go to capture bot and you paste that key. So for me, I can start because I've already provided the key, and I've been working for at least for $0.22. I've done more than 81 solved. Total solved is 81 for $0.22. So you can see how painful it is. Anyway, it is possible to make money by this, so it's not a scam. If you are asking about how can you withdraw the money, there are so many ways you can withdraw, but for me, I use the most trusted one, which is ATM, and it's everywhere. So you have to request payment, and once you reach a threshold, you'll be able to withdraw. Like for me, I've connected with my ATM account, and you can see the minimum withdrawal amount is only $1, unlike other accounts which goes up to $5, $10, but here is a minimum withdrawal of just $1. So how much can you make in a day? I don't see if you can make much in a day using 2capcha, but at least you can make $5 a day, which is better if you are in Africa, but in other countries that is way worse. It is possible to withdraw, and 2capcha is a legit way, but it is a painful way because you have to solve so many puzzles, so many. Thank you so much for watching.